Hi and welcome to the quick tour of SmartStudio. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in purchasing the application in the iTunes App Store, but wouldn't mind seeing how it works first before you make the purchase. So the application navigation is made up of weddings, payments, and packages. If we start in weddings, we can see that weddings are broken down into 4 status types: future weddings, prospective clients, post-production, and completed. Each of them has a number indicator letting you know how many are inside of that bin. So we have 5 future weddings, and here's our list. Future weddings are comprised of a bride name, a ceremony location, the number of hours included in the package, and the wedding date. You can also choose an avatar. You can take a photo if you're using the iPhone application. Otherwise, if you're using an iPod Touch, you can choose from your library, or you can choose from one of our cool color avatars that we've created for you. So, inside of an individual wedding, we have the dashboard screen, which is the brains behind the wedding, which includes details, itinerary, contacts, payments, ideas, notes, crew, and shots. Let me take you into details. Details breaks down the bride and groom information, the wedding location, the wedding date, and even the package deliverables, which are ported in from the package you chose. You can even customize it for this individual application, though. Itinerary is the breakdown of the entire day. You've got Liz getting ready in the morning from 8:30 to 11:30, and here's the reception at 5:30. And let's just say everyone left for the day and you have no idea how to get to the reception. You can literally map the location and have Google Maps navigate you to the reception, which is very cool. Contacts are a way of you storing all the contact information for this particular wedding that you need. In this case, Jenna Maroney is the wedding planner and the maid of honor, and so we can simply email her directly from the application or call her if we have a question. And payments we'll move into in just a second. Ideas is for if a bride brings you a magazine clipping or sends you an email and says, hey, I love this location type, or I love the look of this post-production style, or I love this type of picture. You can capture any visual details you need to and review them on the wedding day and make sure that you're studied up and ready to go. Notes is a catch-all. They might say, hey, we want you to wear something. What was it? Black shirt, black pants. Oh yeah. You can write any notes you want about that wedding. Crew allows you to decide and recall who is going to be your second shooter, your assistant. You can contact them directly from the app. And you have a shot list. You're able to create an unlimited number of shots, add them throughout the day, check them off as you complete each shot. You can even have your assistant check them as you go. And let's move into payments. Payments shows you how much of a workhorse this application is. It includes each milestone that is due for this particular client. You can see that we have 5 milestones. The first one is due now, which is today, 1. And the second one is due on 4/18/2010 of $600. If I want to pay, I literally hit pay, and I can choose to pay the exact amount or a custom amount, hit done, and the item will be unpaid. I can unpay it if I want to, and it will give me an alert to yes, unpay it, or no, don't unpay it. But let me show you the difference between payments in the dashboard versus payments in the tab. Payments in a dashboard respond only to this particular wedding, whereas payments in the payments tab allow you to manage your entire studio by looking across all your weddings and seeing how many payments are due, and you can even choose payment and pay it. So it looks like we have 2 overdue payments. Susan Meyer owes some money here, so we'll go ahead and mark that as paid. And if we go back to payments, we'll see that no longer does Susan Meyer owe that money. If we move into packages, we're able to create any number of packages, associate those packages with particular payment milestones, with an amount of hours of coverage, with deliverable details. You name it, you got it. This is the best wedding application, or best iPhone application, iPod Touch application for professional wedding photographers to manage their entire studio from the day the bride calls to the day they deliver the final product. I hope this has made the buying decision for this application much easier, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.